In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your tomato paste. This my tomato is not actually so reddish like that, so I'm going to use beetroot. This is my beetroot, my onion, and my pepper. So I've already cleaned the tomatoes. I've started blending it here now. What prompted me to make this video is because of the report that tomato paste in Nigerian market in 3 months time will be seized. Everywhere you see tomato paste, that government is going to ban tomato paste because they discover that what they sell to Nigerians is not tomato paste. They bring up different concoctions and put it in a tin and sell. There is high rise of cancer in Nigeria now. So my people, stop eating tomato paste bought in the market. You can make your own. That is why I am making this video now, so you can learn how to make it. It's not difficult. Thank you for watching.